kanto lang ng falls.
Dante's Daily Diary. Dante's Daily Diary. Dante's Daily
Very nice. The best experience. Oh, daming tao. Ah, look. That's Bridal Falls. Look, Bridal Falls. Doon kami dati sa Canada. Yun ang Canada. This one is the US, Bridal Falls. Wow. So nice. Oh my gosh. Abot kamay mo lang yung falls dito. Oh, mismo. Ito mismo. Abot kamay mo. Abot kamay mo yung falls. Wow. So nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Explore na naman tayo. Let's explore. Yeah, further. Ah, ito.
Ha?
Okay. Ito yung gitna ng Bridal Falls. That's Bridal Falls.
Doon tayo galing dun, oh. Doon tayo galing, oh, yung sa ice cream.
Gawan nila. Oh, ang lamig ng hangin dito. Sobrang lamig ng hangin. Wow, so breezy. Oof, very cool. Wow, so folks, this is the American side. So, andito tayo ngayon sa American side ng falls. Yeah. Okay, folks. That's the US flag. See? Ayan yung flag ng US, watawat nila. Ha! Ah, wow. That's the US flag. Whew. So nice here, so nice. Okay, now we're gonna go to the Horseshoe Falls. Okay, this is the Horseshoe Falls. Look. Okay, so we're gonna check out the Horseshoe Falls. So, nandun tayo, nasa Niagara tayo, iba yung view natin. Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa kabila, sa US. So, we're gonna check out how the Horseshoe Falls looks like here in the US side. It's so, akala nyo umuulan, but this is just the mist. Yung umaano lang, umaanggi lang yung tubig ng falls. It's not really raining, it's just a mist. Wow. Ang ganda. Okay. Okay, so we'll check out the falls, guys. Whoa. Wow, okay, so this is how close you can get to the falls. Look at that. So tingnan nyo, halos like tubig na talaga to nung falls. Look at that. See? Look. Wow. So the view here is much more better than the Canadian side. See? Look at that. It's so breathtaking. Wow, amazing. Amazing view. And the mist, it's just like as if it's raining, but it's not. Wow. Look. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's almost, you can just like reach the water from there. Look. Amazing. Amazing view. Wow. So that's the Horseshoe Falls. Ito yung Canada, yung paganon, yung Horseshoe Falls. But we're on the US side, so it's gonna be a different view, folks. So nice. Very nice. Wow. Okay guys, I need to hold my cell phone like really tight because the wind is very strong. Ang lakas ng hangin. So kailangan hawakan ko yung camera ng mabuti. See, I need to hold the camera. Wow. I need to hold it really tight because it's too windy. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Lapit at lapit. Wow. Look at that. It's just like it's so weird. Oh, look. Wow. Amazing. So kailangan hawakan ko mabuti yung camera. Hindi makalipa rin. The drop. Wow, amazing. Unbelievable. Okay, let's go to the other side. Some other places already wet and drenched. Okay, basahan na ako mga folks. Okay, iba naman. Look at that. So yung view dito sa Amerika mas maganda kesa dun sa Canada. Okay folks, this is it. This is the last stop. Three Sisters Island. This is the last stop. Look at that. Okay, so one last glance on the surroundings and then we're gonna go back to Canada. Look at that. Wow. Look. Amazing 360 view. So nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, very good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the last of it, folks. That's it. Alright, so let's go back, folks. Tapos na yung natin, yung gala. Tapos na yung gala natin. So, balik na tayo mga folks. Let's go.
Dante's Daily Diary.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this short video presentation. Hope to see you soon. Take care, folks. Stay safe. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.